Hello everyone. Wanna try Galaxy experience in Apple iPhone? Turn this to this. Don't worry, this is not a big video, just a small one. It's easy and no need to install any app. Open Safari browser and type trygalaxy.com. Now you will see like this page. Click this share icon and add shortcut to home screen. After this we can see icon on home screen. Just open it. Then we can see our iPhone convert to looks like Samsung Galaxy look. They will show you how use this. It looks like a theme. Remember, this is good theme. But there is no 100% Galaxy. We can see Galaxy colorful wallpapers, icons, call app, setting and much more. Discover and comment me below how is it. Exit from this Galaxy, just jump to home screen. And you can come back anytime with home screen shortcut. This is the small video about convert iPhone to Galaxy. Give me a comment below. Does it work for you? Or not? Thank you. See you again.